Yeah, I mean, obviously it wasn't great feeling last game, but
long run. You get what I'm saying? I really got to fart right now.
Let it out, man.
Alright.
So good.
Don't look at me like a creep after it happens. I'm literally about to fart on national. Oh, I felt so good.
There you go.
Excuse me. Ladies, I hope you still think I'm sexy after this because it doesn't really smell that. Sorry.
Hey Joey, Aaron.
Vi ser oss på måndag igen. Hej då! Nej, oj gud, vad har jag ätit?
Excuse me, I don't know whether I can do this. I'll do the best I can, though.
All right, we're getting near lunch, and I know you're.
Yeah.
More than 2 million people in the UK have put money into Irish banks, often attracted by good interest rates. But the news that Ireland's economy